So I'm back at Polo Body Works today, the place where Vito does all of his painting magic. And I'm here today to preview two Porsche 911s that could not be any more different even if they tried. And kindly, Vito has moved these beauties outside. Now the shop is absolutely chocker, and we will go in and just have a little bit of a look because there's some of the 911 parts inside. But to start off with, I'm going to take a tour of these two. Now we'll start with the Targa. It's almost like a baby blue, golf blue colour. This is owned by Greg. We did a video in Sydney with him. He had the JPS. It was a GT40 and the Mercedes, I think it was. I'm probably going to get that completely wrong, but I will put a little bit of that video just here. This is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be because you sent me some photos before we got here. Yeah. I was like, oh, yeah. And you could kind of zoom in, see some of the cars. GT40, the John Player Special. Is that a Series 6?
Yeah, 635 CSI, yeah.
This has had a full restoration. Look at that, dynamat everywhere. It's going to probably add a little bit of weight to the car because that stuff is remarkably heavy. There's a box with coilovers there, so it'll handle really well. Beautiful Targa, and it's not got the polished hoop. It's actually got a painted silver hoop. That's really nice. Normally they're black or like a polished aluminium steel, but that silver is a really nice touch. Drilled handles, and the paint, as usual, coming from Vito's shop, is gorgeous. It is so smooth. This car is about to go off, I think it is on Monday, to get the rest of the restoration done, and we will cover that in a moment. Now this car is heading off to Jaunt on Monday, and anybody who has watched a couple of other videos on the channel will know that Jaunt do electric conversions. So this 911 is going to be no longer air-cooled, but in the back there, it's going to have an electric motor. I am going to try and follow this car on its journey, and hopefully when it's had all the conversion done down at Jaunt, I'll probably get Greg and see if we can do a bit of a video driving it around, because having had a few experiences in resto mods and custom 911s and 356s, I think driving this being an electric conversion will be an interesting experience. As usual, the quality of the work down here at Polo Body Works is absolutely amazing. That bonnet, like Vito's work is outstanding. And of course, Vito did the work on our RWB. So I've bought some parts down here with me today for the RWB that Vito's going to paint, because in a few days' time, the RWB is going to be back here at Polo Body Works. Of course, the engine's getting swapped, and when we did the paint on the RWB last time, we didn't pull the engine and paint in the engine bay. So while the engine is out, we're going to get it all painted Miami blue and a fresh engine bay for a fresh engine. So there we go, that's a Porsche 911 Targa that is going to be converted by Jaunt to an electric car. This is just a bit of a preview on it today. Stick with us as we're probably going to do a bit of a driving experience with this car. Really looking forward to it. I'm a big fan of that hoop. And then sat next to it, we've got a 3.2 Carrera that's been painted in it's kind of a custom GT3 RS colour. That green pops. And there we go, a 3.2 engine. Looking not too bad in there. Sticker on it there in 2023 has got 148,000 kilometers on it, nearly 149. I think the tacho on the inside might have now 151,000 on it. Pretty standard and stock inside. Seats, nothing overly done. And of course, let's see if we can get the camera inside. Lovely painting on the inside as well by Vito on the inside of the doors. Thing's gorgeous. Absolutely love that colour. It's gorgeous. Just that green kind of pops. And not your normal kind of GT3 RS colour. It's almost got a little bit fresh apple kind of feel about it. that will be the sunroof. Hinges all painted. Of course, it's a glass out, new rubbers restoration. Headlight rings on the inside. But these two cars are going to be very different. We've talked about the jaunt electric Porsche 911 over there, but this one is going to be an RWB. So I think there might be some RWB parts inside the shop. So let's go take a look. So this is an RWB GT2 style wing with the inlets there. If I was ever going to change the ducktail with the steep wing on my Targa, I'd be tempted to do one of these GT2 styles, but I just don't think they really suit the kind of Targa body style. Beautiful color though, and it's like a fresh green apple. I'm Scott from Outlaw Garage, and I'm hoping you're enjoying the video. If you haven't already, if you could drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel, that would be very much appreciated. Regular Porsche, classic car content, and a lot of content where I'm either broken down or doing some random upgrades on my own cars. Come join the community and subscribe. Before we wander around the rest of the shop, I've got some new lights going in at the front of the RWB. These are done by Pegaroo and Churn of RWB fame here in Australia. They've actually got an air scoop in them as well. So they're gonna go in, of course, with the 964 motor. I've got to do something about the oil cooling on that, and these should really help. And then also what we're going to do, we're going to have a bit of a limited edition release, and it will be particularly limited. I've got some of these from Kmart. I'm going to paint them Miami blue. I'm not quite sure what Vito's going to think of that gig, but it might not be the strangest thing he's ever painted. So here's the front end of the RWB as well. I think this might be maybe a 964 kit. It is different to the 930 kit that I've got on mine. Again, that apple looks just so fresh. And here's a bit of a preview. There is another one in the paint booth over there. The guys who are building the RWB are building two, and this one here is going to be, I guess it was a lava orange GT3 color, and now it's had a little bit of a tweak. It's got the decal underneath the paint and the clear coat there. Here's the bonnet for the green RWB as well. That one's also got the decal in it. Got an orange door over there, and got some other parts for the RWB there as well. The shop's busy and Vito's busy. There's a better alpha Italian ratio to Porsches in here than there was previously. Like he was becoming a Porsche shop, and now we've gone a bit more Italian again. Now the RWBs are being built actually out of Sydney. So the cars are here in Melbourne getting painted, because obviously Vito has got a spectacular reputation. They are then heading back to Sydney, and I was previously one of the builds with the Sydney crew. It was Michael who had a 993 and a 997 built, and these are going to be his RWBs. Again, I'll put a bit of a clip of that video in, because we had a massive road trip out to Sydney, and these two are going to really pop. So there we go, a bit of a preview today on a couple of very, very different Porsche 911s. We're going electric and we're going RWB. We'll probably catch up with these in a few months' time, hoping to get our final view of the RWB once it's completed. And at some point, we might be doing a test drive in an electric Porsche 911.